And as we pass from memory, we hope we will have contributed to a culture of philanthropy that will continue. And that this building will continue to be the place where students are attracted to Grand Valley and best served after they arrive. The new addition of this building is Grand Valley's Ellis Island, the first place where most students and their parents experience Grand Valley. They do not look out at the Statue of Liberty, but they do catch a vision of their new life with its hopes and fears and potential success in a new world which will open to them. Much like our ancestors who took their first steps on American shores, they are all a part of the American dream.
We had to establish a culture and a set of values that would attract the right students, and it just snowballed from there. I'm pleased to see those values continue today and what we helped build, and that we helped build this university into the type of place it is, where people truly care about each other and students are still job one. Speaking for both of us, you should know that we are afloat on a sea of gratitude for this honor, for all who comprise this great university, and for the pleasure we will have as we cruise along in our later years.
Well, thank you for being here as we continue this celebration today with recognizing and again celebrating the dedication, the service, the leadership, the commitment of Don and Nancy Lubbers. So as you can see, we are celebrating leadership and service of Don and Nancy, but so many others providing their expertise, their focus on creating pathways for students and student success. And again, that's what we're about here, but we need to have a starting point, and right behind us is that starting point.
It really represents a community of people who are dedicated to serving the students. So in there is the cashier, the registration office, the registrar, financial aid, the dean of students office, admissions, a host of people, counseling, career office. They're people who are there to help the student as they come in, as well as help the student while they're here, and of course, pitch them a diploma when they're at the end of it all and find a job. So everything is right in there.
Grand Valley is coined for being a community, for being the place of huge accomplishments as well as small, intimate, and valuable conversations. As student senate president, as a resident assistant, and simply as a Laker at Grand Valley, I find myself constantly utilizing the unique support that our university offers, and helping students to understand that the support that we offer is there to improve us, and to help us find the courage we need to embark on our own Laker effect. It's because of leaders like President and Mrs. Lubbers who have never given up on improving our university. And through that tenacity, we all feel the pull to be a change and strive towards the best we can be.